Hello everyone, and this is Sahid and I am super excited to be back on this channel today. This is your channel where you listen to everything migration, infotainment, healthy lifestyle and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so immediately, like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the all important notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. You don't want to do that because this is where you would hear all the latest around the world. And when you're looking for infotainment at its best, this is where you get it. And don't forget, you get it locked right down here. So what are we talking about today? Let's get it started.
In today's video, we will be telling about the latest from the United States regarding H-1B visas, caps for 2026, the registration process, opening date and deadlines. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) has announced that the initial registration period for the fiscal year FY 2026 H-1B visa. Employers and legal representatives must register each beneficiary electronically through a USCIS online account and pay the required fee to participate in the selection process. Remember, thousands of foreign workers in the U.S. on H-1B visas aim for permanent residency through the I-140 petition. Every year, thousands of foreign workers, including professionals from diverse countries, move to the United States on temporary work visas like the H-1B. For many, the ultimate goal is to secure permanent residency through a green card. The journey from an H-1B visa to a green card hinges on one critical document, the I-140 petition. But how can the I-140 petition help foreign workers transition from temporary visas to long-term residency in the U.S., ensuring they can continue working and living there while navigating the often complex immigration process? Understanding the H-1B visa and its limitations. The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows U.S. employers to hire foreign workers in specialized fields, primarily in STEM. While offering a valuable opportunity to work in the U.S., the H-1B is inherently temporary, typically lasting 6 years. However, the H-1B visa is a dual-intent visa, meaning it allows visa holders to legally pursue permanent residency while maintaining their temporary status. This is where the I-140 petition comes into play. What are the key details for the H-1B registration? Number 1. Employers and representatives must use a USCIS online account to register each beneficiary. Number 2. The registration fee is $215 per beneficiary. Number 3. The selection process will focus on unique beneficiaries, considering each one individually rather than multiple registrations per beneficiary. Number for registration is not first come, first served, so applicants do not need to rush on the opening day. How can you register for the H-1B visa cap? The H-1B visa registration process is entirely electronic. Prospective employers or their authorized representatives must use a USCIS online account to register each beneficiary. A non-refundable $215 fee is required for each registration submitted. What dates are announced? The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) has announced that the initial registration period for the fiscal year FY 2026 H-1B visa cap will open at noon Eastern on March 7, 2025, and will run until noon Eastern on March 24.
Is there a need to create or access your USCIS online account? For new employers, create an organizational account at any time. For existing employers, FY 2021 to 2024 will have their accounts converted to organizational accounts upon their next login. For representatives, add clients to your accounts at any time. However, users cannot enter beneficiary information or submit registrations until March 7th. What is the selection process and notification period? The beneficiary-centric selection process will continue for FY 2026. If the number of registrations reaches the cap by March 24th, USCIS will randomly select unique beneficiaries and notify registrants through their online accounts. If the cap is not met, USCIS will select all properly submitted registrations. USCIS intends to send selection notifications by March 31, 2025, to accounts with at least one selected beneficiary. How do you go about the filing of an H-1B petition? Employers must confirm their beneficiary's registration is selected before submitting H-1B cap subject petitions and proceeding with Form I-129. The USCIS website's H-1B electronic registration process page provides additional registration details. Stricter rules ahead for H-1B visa program. The H-1B visa program, a vital pathway for skilled foreign workers, is under the spotlight. Proposed changes include the following. Number 1. Redefining specialty occupation, making it harder for roles without specific degree requirements to qualify. Number 2. Increased scrutiny. A rise in requests for evidence RFEs and application denials is anticipated. Number 3. Higher salary thresholds. Doubling the minimum annual salary from $60,000 to $120,000 could affect mid-level roles. The uncertainty is overwhelming, shared an H-1B holder based in Silicon Valley. Our careers and families are in jeopardy. What are the key facts about the H-1B program? Number 1. Visa allocation. 65,000 visas are issued annually for workers with bachelor's degrees, with an additional 20,000 for advanced degree holders. Number 2. Industries. Common fields include technology, healthcare, manufacturing, and education. Number 3. Country demographics. Over 2/3 of H-1B visa holders are from India. Number 4. Wages. Employers must pay the prevailing wage for the role and location. However, reports indicate many H-1B workers are paid below the local median wage.
With key changes in registration fees, selection methods, and account management, the FY 2026 H-1B cap season introduces significant improvements. Employers and representatives should prepare early to ensure a smooth registration process. Stay updated with USCIS announcements for additional guidance before the registration window opens on March 7, 2025. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the latest from the United States regarding the H-1B visas, caps for 2026, the registration process, opening date and deadlines. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our future videos. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by electronic mail and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.